Welcome back to DesignCafe's YouTube channel. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jovis. Well, a children's bedroom is one of the most fun bedrooms one can have in a house, and today we're going to see the different styles in which a children's bedroom can be designed. But before we get started with the video, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos.
This kid's bedroom has been designed so smartly that it can be used like a study room too. Even though the space here is a little small compared to the other two rooms here, in spite of that, a full height sliding wardrobe, a study table with a pull-out drawer and a chair has been added here without making the room look clumsy or too jam-packed. Now here's a quick design hack for you guys. If you guys also have a smaller room like this, then just don't go ahead and add white color to make it look bigger. Rather, add more oomph to the room by adding lighter colors. Lighter colors always make your room look much more aesthetically pleasing.
Beautifully done in Japanese color concept of muted pink and green. From this uber cool bunk bed to this fully functional study unit, this room has it all. Now, even though they only have a daughter at the moment, the space is designed so that it is comfortable for two kids in the future. The cloud fall ceiling along with the sky painting on the ceiling is such a mood and adding a vibe to the room. Hit like if you think you would have loved this room as a child yourself. Well, moving on to the walk-in closet. Here we have given a nice large wardrobe done in muted pink and white high gloss laminate. This is extremely storage efficient. On the opposite side, we have this beautiful Hollywood style mirror which any little girl would love to have, along with lots of storage drawers and a dresser. Design tip of the day. Now here are the things that you need to keep in mind if you're designing a kid's bedroom. Always make sure that the edges of the corners are always rounded and soft. Another thing that to keep in mind is to go for lots of colors and patterns. This fosters their imagination and creativity. Most importantly, don't clutter the room. Give a lot of floor space so that there's enough space for them to run around, play and have fun. Happy designing!
Many kids have very specific visions about how they want their bedroom to look like. Most of it is inspired from epic movie sets or very fairy tale backdrops. Like Sana's kids, they are Spider-Man fan, and this room had to be designed in Spider-Man theme. The color of the wardrobe here and the false ceiling design overall complements the entire design of this kid's bedroom and depicts a very friendly, creative kid's bedroom over here. And special mention for this painting on the fan. It looks so good and so different that any kid would want to show it off. And lastly, I have to mention about this kid's study unit over here. After all, this is what that is going to be your kid's companion through schoolwork and hobbies. For a child, a bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. That is why we have made this space look much more creative, fun, comfortable and practical for years to come.
This vibrant room I'm in belongs to the 12-year-old son Vatsal. To make sure that he has lots of space around to move, we've given a single cot along with a trundle bed below for those sleepover nights. Now it's true what they say about never having enough space in homes with growing kids. And that's how we ended up with this truly personalized storage space, come study, come seater, in spite of having a large walk-in wardrobe on the other side. This entire space has been fully customized to Vatsal needs, with a large storage space here and a bookshelf on the other side. Below this, we have a nice deck. This is great for him to store all his sports equipment like his bat, balls, and also his guitar can be hung on the wall. Now here, there's a nice study table for him to even keep his laptop if required. And on the other end, we have a very cute seating corner for him to relax. Here's another cool personalized feature. They wanted a space to display all his certificates, prizes and more, and that's how we ended up with this display shelf. We blended this seamlessly with the walk-in wardrobe done in laminate finish, so it is looking sober along with the bright wallpaper on the other side.
As you can see, this bedroom looks very minimalist with fresh hues of pastels and white. This beautifully lit up dressing table is the highlight of this room. The entire design here strikes a very good balance between elegance and fun.